today we've got our circuit training. So it is a circular layout, so you've got 8 stations you'll be working on, and you're going to be working for 60 seconds and you're going to have a 10-second rest in between, and we're going to do that 3 rounds through. So the whole session goes for 60 minutes in total. The aim of this session is to improve your endurance and your cardiovascular fitness. So to get started, we're just going to walk around the setup of this whole circuit, and then you're going to do that 3 laps and then build up to a jog. And then after that, you're slowly going to build up to a run around. So you're going from about 40% up to 70% to slowly increase your body temperature, your heart rate and your respiration rate, preparing the body for the conditioning phase and to reduce the risk of injury. So get it with a light jog started. That's it. Good work. That's it. Slowly picking up the pace. Alrighty, and a little bit faster. Alright, so first station we're doing push-ups. So just up on your feet, body nice and flat, and just going all the way down and back up. If you need it a little bit easier, we can go on our knees, or we can bring our knees in if that's a bit of a challenge as well. Alrighty, and then the next one, so we're doing burpees without the push-up if it's a little bit tricky, so you can just jump up and jump out. Or if you're able for the challenge, go out, push up, jump back in, and all the way up. The next one, we have pull-ups. So over on the pull-up bar, so hands on the bar, and you're pulling all the way up and back down. Keeping your body nice and straight, raising up with your elbows. Then we've got sprints. So you're going to be starting down here, sprinting all the way up, and then coming back down. Going as fast as you can. So that'll be different for everyone, but just using the quickest pace that you can go. Then we have our plank. So the hard one is hands and feet. Otherwise, you can go drop down to your elbows, and if that's still a bit tricky, you can just drop down on your knees. And then our last few, so we've got mountain climbers. So you're going up and bringing your knees up to your chest. If that's a little bit tricky, you can just bring your feet to your hips, so you don't have to go quite as high. You're trying to get your knee all the way up to your elbow, but if that's a bit hard, you can just not go quite as high, or you can just go a little bit slower. Then we also have walking lunges. So you're alternating with the lunges, coming forwards, alternating your legs. If that is a little bit tricky, you can just do some sumo squats. So just squatting down, going all the way down and up if the walking lunges are a little bit of a challenge. And the last one, we have tuck jumps. So you're trying to get your knees up to your chest when you're jumping, so bringing them all the way up. If that one's a little bit hard, we can just do some high knees, and that one's still good to get your heart rate up. Alright, so that's all the stations that we have. I'll get you guys to spread out.
Hands out like that.
That's it, good work. So try and push the weight back into your heels a little bit more. Yep, so you want to sit, so we'll be pushing out and down. That's better. Good work. Yeah, that's it. Good work, so try and alternate your legs. So bring one leg up and then the other. That's it, good job. Trying to keep your hips down so you're not sticking your bottom up. Off we go. That's the way. Good work, hips down a little bit more. Awesome, that's it. Run, and then we're slowly going to lower the pace to get our heart rate down. So keep up the pace for the moment. Now go into a slow jog. Just nice and relaxed, getting our heart rates down. That's it, good stretches. So start with a standing chest stretch. So just opening out your arms, that's it. Pushing them back, and you should feel that in your chest. That's it, and getting your calves so you can put your hands on the ground. That's it, and pushing your calves out straight. Can you feel that one stretching?